there is the ways to check. If it's going to be a perfect square, there's a couple of things that have to be the case. A, that has to be a square. Okay, x squared is a square. Would you agree? Okay, that has to be a square, and it has to be positive. If it's not positive, it ain't a square. Okay? Because it doesn't matter whether you use negative numbers or positive numbers to square it. You get it? That's the thing. What you do is you find the square root of that and see if you double it and get that. Yeah? So we know that it's x and we know it's a 4. Now the next thing is that's a minus. Which means that's a minus, and I don't know why I wrote the brackets twice, because we're doing squareds. And that's your answer. That cool? Yes. X squared minus 4 squared gives me 16. And minus 4 times x times 2 gives me minus 8x. Cool? You could still use the PSF method and get the correct answer. Not a problem. But if you recognise that it's a lot quicker. Cool? It is something that you have to get used to. It will not happen immediately. You have to look at it and you have to see it and you have to get it. But it just takes time, that's all. Next one. Check. Is that a squared number? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah. How can you tell? The number is a square number, so 2 squared equals 4. A squared. Excellent. So that is a squared. Is that a squared number? Yeah. Excellent. So we know it's going to be A and 5 squared. Then we have a look at that. Cool. Sorry, yeah, you're right. I should have listened to you again. No, but 5 times 2a is 10a. Double that is 20a. Because it's a non-monic.
Wait. 2 plus, what did you say?
5 times 2a gives me 10a. Yeah. And you double it. Because remember it's...
Shouldn't it be 28 squared then?
No, because 2a times 2a gives me 4a squared.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Done.
No. 3 to go. 8. We've got 3 to go. Ready? Difference of 2 squared. Now, these are really easy to recognise. Okay? A, there's only 2 terms. Okay? Is that a square? Yeah. Is that a square? Yeah. Is that a difference? Yeah. Then it's a difference of 2 squares. 2 squares and the difference. So, all you do is you go D. What's the square root of 36? 6.
And then minus in the middle.
Doesn't matter which way you do it.
No. One of them has to be a negative, one of them has to be a positive. Doesn't matter which one. Is that a square number?
Yeah.
Because?
Because 3 squared is 9.
Perfect. So we've got 3b, 3b. What's the square root of 1? It doesn't matter whether you got the plus or the negative at the front. Okay, number 3. What do we do now? Panic. Ah. Don't you work it out and then factorise it? Possibly. What do you reckon we do? Come on, I want to get done. Yeah, making sure I don't screw it up. I'm not stupid. I just look this way. All right, what do you do? Okay. Is that a square number? Is that a square number? Is that a difference? It's a difference of 2 squares. Well, how would you write it? A plus 3. What's the square root of a plus 3? Sorry, what's the square root of a plus 3 squared? Cool. What's the square root of b minus 1 squared? Now, I'm going to use square brackets so you can see what I'm doing. Okay? So my square brackets are just the outside ones. Now, what should go in between this? And what should go in between this? Yes. They are just terms. It's the same as we've got there and there. Term, term. Term, 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 term. Okay? Happy with that? Okay.
Is that it?
Nah. Can you do anything else to it? Okay. A plus 3 plus B minus 1. A plus 3 minus B minus 1. I've just taken them out of the brackets inside because we don't need them. So that will give us A plus B plus 2. A minus B plus 2.
Is that it?
Oh, no, that's bad. That should be a 4. Oh, sorry, because I forgot when I multiplied that out, it's minus B, and then minus times a minus gives me a positive 1.
That it?
That is it. Well done.